In the harsh, rugged landscapes where the weather is unforgiving and the terrain is difficult to navigate, bison travel vast distances in search of food to sustain themselves. The wolves track the bison across the harsh terrain, patiently waiting for an opportunity to gain an advantage. They follow the herd until they find a location that provides them with the upper hand for an ambush, using the landscape to their benefit. Once in a favorable position, the wolves begin their attack. They know that their best chance lies in breaking the herd's unity, separating one individual from the safety of the group. The bison's resilience and the wolf's persistence demonstrate the raw power, intelligence, and survival instincts that each species possesses in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. It is through these coordinated efforts that the wolves slowly wear down the bison, who becomes more vulnerable with each passing round. Eventually, after considerable effort and determination, the wolves succeed in isolating one bison from the herd. With this final maneuver, they secure their meal, ensuring their survival and demonstrating the unyielding nature of both predators and prey in the wild.